What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooker with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, you already know how I do it. Got another great recipe to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Always appreciate the love when you come through. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest videos, y'all. Freestyle cooking, we get it in. Let's do it. All right. So today, y'all, we doing a stew, y'all. All right. On the board, I got me some smoked turkey wings. I got them cut up. Got them from the butcher. Got some like giant sized turkey wings already smoked, already cooked, ready to go, which is going to speed up the process with our recipe, and we're going to do a turkey wing stew, y'all. That's how we doing it, man. Real easy. For my stew lovers out there, we about to get it in. All right, so let's do it. All right, y'all, so what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and get our meat seasoned up. You feel me? I like using the smoked wings already smoked because they're already like from the brine, already seasoned up crazy, ready to go with a lot of flavor. If you can't find, you normally can find smoked turkey in your market, your butcher, somewhere like that already smoked. And my butcher sell these real giant pieces, so I had got about maybe 2 big size wings, had them cut it up, ready to go. So that's what you want to do. You want to get your smoked turkey, cut it up, or if you find it in pieces, you're good to go. And since it's already cooked, this is going to cut some of our time in half, y'all. You feel me? All right, so first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and add some garlic powder. All right. And for these size wings, these are pretty big, so about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Because I really want the seasoning to incorporate into the stew. About a tablespoon of onion powder. Now, if there's smaller wings that you're able to find or smaller pieces of smoked turkey, then you would probably use about a couple of teaspoons of each. You know, you would just adjust the measurements according to the size of your meat. Okay, I'm also going to use some of my Tony's Creole seasoning. All right, about a tablespoon of that. Also, I want to add some chicken bouillon flavor, you know, like chicken seasoning. Same thing, about a tablespoon, y'all. Alright. Also, I want to add some shallots. I got some dry shallots right here. I always like to keep this on deck. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have any, you could just use some onions or some shallots and just chop them up. You don't have to type them up real fine, but chop them up just to get into the pot. But you can find these maybe online or a specialty store. I usually find them like in a Ross or a Marshalls, something like that. Definitely good to have on hand. Add a lot of flavor. All right. Get about a tablespoon of that up in there, y'all. All right. There we go. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do, I want to go ahead and pour in about 4 cups of water. There we go. About 4 cups. Boom. Now I want to go ahead and I want to boil this until, you know, for about a half hour, get the meat nice and tender, cooked through a little, because it's already cooked. So we don't have to cook it for a long time. We just really got to heat it through, you know, get our meat, you know, kind of juicy and tender. All right. Okay, so now I got my pot on the burner. Got it turned up to high. Want to get it to a boil. Then I'll bring it down to a medium high. And like I said, depending on the size of your meat, will depend on how long you cook it for, right? Smaller pieces, maybe about 20-25 minutes, okay? These size pieces, I'm going to let it rock out for about 30 to 35 minutes, y'all, okay? Start it off on high, get it to a boil to bring it down to medium high and rock it out for 30 minutes, all right? Let's do it. All right, y'all, so now while we got our cut up smoked turkey wings boiling right now, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna roast some veggies, y'all. All right. So I got me a couple of red bell peppers. I got me some Roma tomatoes. I got me some shallots. And I got me some serrano pepper, a little bit of heat, y'all. You feel me? And I got some garlic cloves. You know what I mean? About 7 or 8. It's about 7 garlic cloves. You know, love the garlic, so you can put as much garlic as you like, for real. But so I'm just gonna chop these up, get them up on a baking pan. We're gonna throw them in the oven, let them roast for a minute. You know what I'm saying? While our smoked turkey is boiling. All right, let's do it. Let's get it chopped up. Boom. There we go, y'all. Got them all cut up, man. Didn't want to take y'all through me chopping everything up, man. I know I'll be trying to give it to y'all quick, you know. Alright, so now after you got your veggies chopped up on your baking plate, I got me some adobo seasoning. Alright. Go ahead and put that on my veggies. You know, try to have them evenly spread out. We're going to toast them for a while. Also, I got some oil, some olive oil up on there. There we go, y'all. Get the veggies nice and covered with oil. Alright. And we're going to go ahead, put these in the oven on 425. Alright. For about 25 minutes, y'all. Alright. About the same amount of time we're waiting for our meat to finish boiling. Alright. So we just want to get a nice little roast on them. You don't have to get them all charred and black. We just want to get a nice little roast on them. Nice little bit of smoke on them. Because we're going to toss these up in the blender, y'all. Alright? Let's do it! Alright, y'all. I done got my vegetables up out the oven. Right up into the blender. About to get this thing popping. Alright? So now that I got my veggies and my roasted veggies up in the blender, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon of dry rosemary. Next, a teaspoon of dried thyme. Next, a teaspoon of dried oregano. Next, I'm going to put in a tablespoon of curry powder. And next, I'm going to put in a teaspoon of white pepper. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix this up, get it real smooth. Alright, y'all. Got it all mixed nice and smooth. Let's shut them on down. Alright. There we go, y'all. Nice and smooth for our sauce. Alright. We just want to put this to the side and go ahead and get our turkey wings. Alright. Our turkey wings should be ready. Oh yeah. Definitely ready, y'all. Definitely tender. That's what I wanted. Oh yeah, our smoked turkey is ready to go. Alright, so I just want to go ahead and get it up out of here. And I want to keep the liquid, y'all. Okay? I want to save the liquid. We're going to use that. Go ahead and get the turkey up out of there. Alright, and like I said, y'all, we're going to save that liquid for our sauce. Alright, y'all, with the same pot, after I dump the juices out into a cup, go ahead and put about 3 tablespoons of oil, y'all. Right? And next, I'm going to go ahead, I got some celery, carrots, shallots in here, basically like a mirepoix. Alright. Go ahead and get that going, y'all, for about 2 minutes. So I got it on a medium high. Okay, so after a couple of minutes now, go ahead and pour my sauce up in there. Go ahead and Start to stir that in, get it mixed up nice and good. Next, I'm also going to add about a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour some of my liquid in there. Alright, the liquid that I had left is about a cup. Go ahead and let this go for a minute. And I'm going to just let this simmer for about 10 minutes, y'all. 10-15 minutes, I'm going to let this simmer. Alright. Okay, y'all, it's been a couple of minutes so far. It's been about 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic paste. About a tablespoon. To give me some extra added flavor, y'all. Okay, y'all, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what we got going on. Oh yeah, y'all, sauce coming together right. Now I want to go ahead and get my turkey up in there, my smoked turkey. Oh yeah, y'all, look at that. Nice and tender, falling off the bone a little something. Get all that goodness up in there, y'all. Alright, and go ahead and get that incorporated in. Smelling so good, y'all. This stew gonna be popping. And y'all, and then if your meat is really coming off the bone like that, I just go ahead and scrape it and leave it all up in there. Skin and everything, y'all. Take out the bones. Yeah. Alright, so you got any bones coming off, just grab them. Oh yeah, y'all. There we go. Here we go, y'all. Boom. Stew is done, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Meat nice and falling apart. Like I said, any bones you're sitting there, I'd extracted some bones. That means the turkey is real tender. So definitely your sauce is infused with the meat. Oh yeah, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this plated on up. Here we go, y'all. Boom. Our smoked turkey wing stew is ready to go. Okay. I had some brown rice. Went ahead and put my stew with the rice. I garnished it off with some scallions. Ready to go, y'all. You can eat this stew with pasta, potatoes, you know, mash. Man, you can go hard. Freestyle cooking, man. You dig? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Look at that. Real easy. Looking good, man. You know? Got the nice big chunk on there so you can just break it down. Meat falling off the bone. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Sauce is nice and tasty. Oh, yeah, y'all. So you already know, man. About to go in on this. Do my thing. You know? Alright, so please subscribe. Like, share. Hit that notification, man. So y'all can keep up with the latest videos. Comment. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all tried it. You know, I always appreciate y'all coming through. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what's good. Holla at me. Alright? Smelling good too. I wish y'all could smell it. Alright? Y'all know how I do. Holla.